Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a great weekend. It was one of those weekends where you just wanted to stay inside, if I'm being honest. It was so cloudy, it was a little bit gloomy out there, and we really didn't warm up at all. It was quite the chill. Nothing's different for our Monday. The only difference is some sunshine's going to make an appearance, and it is making an appearance in central Ohio as we head through this morning. But right now we're kind of getting rid of these lower clouds trapped here at the surface. That's why this cool air from the north is pushing in, and eventually a cold front will roll through as we head through tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit of a different setup. You know, typically we wake up to the snowfall, but tomorrow it's going to roll through right around lunchtime. So I don't know if the 2-hour delays going to help you. I think we're going to have to just cancel school or just have to see where it kind of leads to as we head through your Tuesday. But future conditions, we will have some sunshine today after we wake up 8 a.m. and then warm up till about the mid to upper 30s. I'm sorry, it's not going to be very warm for today. Usually we get a nice warm front before a system like this pushes through, but this is a very west to east type of system, so it's just a bunch of cold air pushing down from the north. Winter storm watches are already going out down to our south in Doddridge County, West Virginia, so just below Tyler and Wetzel counties. Eventually, we'll probably see a winter weather advisory at least go out for us. That's what I expect to see. We are tracking about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall, but it does look like it's going to target those to our southeast a little bit more, so I don't know how much farther north it's going to push. You know, it's all a question on how far north does that wind really push. That's the question here as we head through your Tuesday. Most of the snowfall, though, does look like it hits the central mountains, the Laurel Highlands, just a little bit harder, especially even as you head into Washington County, Pennsylvania. So we'll keep an eye on that, how it all plays out with the wind through tomorrow. Here's a look at your Monday. It's a little bit cloudy to start, then we'll filter in some sunshine. The cloud coverage returns after sunset, and then it's cloudy by the time we wake up Tuesday morning, but still no snowfall. It's not until 1 p.m. the initial bands start to push through, the bulk of it right around 5 p.m., and then it all does wrap up by 7 a.m. on your Wednesday. So how much snowfall is left behind at Tuesday night? That's going to be the big question if you get out of school also on Wednesday. But here's a look at snow totals. We are tracking 1 to 3 inches in general, but notice how the little bit of a darker blue screen or darker blue shades are on your screen here as we move into Washington County, Pennsylvania, and those down into Tyler, Wetzel counties as well. So in the east of Morgantown, we're tracking anywhere between 4 to 6 inches, a little bit higher as you head into the higher terrains, but in general, 1 to 3 inches. Those to the north, maybe an inch, maybe just a light dusting out there just because of how far north is that snow going to get pushed. That's exactly what we're talking about through our Tuesday. But the good news, here it is. Wednesday, we'll start to warm back up. We're back in the 40s by Thursday morning. Early Thursday morning, it's going to feel something like a spring or a summer type day where you wake up and it's really breezy, but you have a southerly breeze and it kind of feels a little bit humid in winter, which is kind of confusing. That's what we're going to feel on Thursday. Friday into Saturday, we kind of go up and down. Temperature roller coaster continues. Saturday into Sunday, we'll keep an eye on some wintry mix again as we close out the weekend, but it does look like it's going to be predominantly rain. So let's hope, let's cross our fingers, we can get this snowfall out of the way and head to a warmer half of our winter, ending into a nicer spring. That's what we're all going